Hey everyone, today I'm going to be talking about the Vevor 2-tier welding cart. It's a real workhorse welding cart to keep your welding area clutter-free and organized. If this sounds like something you're interested in, welcome to the BALDEAGLE242 YouTube channel. Stick around and I'm going to show you how to put this thing together and give a brief review on it. Let's dive right into why this cart could be a great addition to your shop. The first thing on this cart is it's about half price of the Harbor Freight Jord cart or the KLUTCH cart, which are two very similar carts. This cart has two 2.9-inch front caster wheels that swivel around so you can easily maneuver this around your product and get it in any location you need to get to. This cart also has large PVC 7-inch rear wheels on it, so if you've got an uneven surface you can easily maneuver it around in your shop or on an uneven driveway or parking lot or wherever you need to use this machine. It makes it very easy to get it where you need to be. This cart has a 265-pound capacity, making it perfect for storing all your welding wire, your tips, your consumables, pretty much anything you're going to need for welding. The most difficult part about this cart is getting the drawers in. You know, when you read the instructions on this cart, it tells you to put that top shelf on before you put the drawers in. One tweak I would make to that is go ahead and put your drawers in the sides of the cart without putting that middle shelf on there. Will simplify you being able to get this cart in there and get the drawers lined up. There's actually other reviews on this cart that talk about the drawers not fitting or not working with this cart, and that's simply not true. The problem is if you follow the instructions and you put that middle shelf in there, you can't see behind those drawers to be able to line up the ball bearing slides. If you put that middle shelf on last, you shouldn't have any problem getting these drawers lined up and getting them to function the way they're supposed to function. This cart is built out of steel. There's not much plastic at all on this other than the handles and a few minor items, but the main parts of this cart are all steel. It has a spacious 2-tier design with the drawers down below so you can put your welder or a plasma cutter or pretty much any kind of welder or device up on the top shelf. You know, any kind of hammers you use for knocking slag off. So I mean, it has a lot of options to keep everything very organized on a wheeled cart where you can move it around to wherever you're going to be working. This cart also has a secure platform on the back with chains to hold on a gas cylinder. So if you want to do MIG welding with gas, you've got the option to put the argon or nitrogen or some mix. Secure that to the cart, makes it easy to transport. That little shelf also works good if you're using a flux core, so you can store some extra welding wire back there. It's perfect for stacking the 10-pound spools on there if you want to have a couple of those extra with you when you're working with this welder or this cart. In closing, guys, it's a pretty impressive little welding cart at about half the price of the Harbor Freight Jord welding cart. I think you'll be happy with it. It is a little more assembly than the Harbor Freight cart, but with the cost savings and the storage options the extra drawer makes in this thing, I think you'll find it a valuable asset to your shop. If you're interested in more details on this cart, I'll put some details down in the video description as well as an Amazon affiliate link so you can check out the current price on this cart. Happy welding, and we hope to see you around on future videos. If you're interested in more videos like this, check out this video right here.